Next, we're going to spend a little bit of time looking at how you will organize your argumentative essay. So for an argumentative essay to be effective, you must organize your ideas, provide solid supporting evidence, and present the information clearly. So let's take a look at how that's done. An argument essay is usually at least 5 paragraphs. It requires an introductory paragraph, at least 3 body paragraphs, and a concluding paragraph. We're going to talk about each one of these parts very specifically a little bit later on, but right now I'm just going to introduce to you just briefly each individual part. So in the introduction, that is the first paragraph, and that will be where you will hook the reader and state your claim. The hook is sometimes called a lead, and we'll talk a lot more about the lead here in just a little bit. And then also the claim is the thesis statement. That's what you are stating that you believe. Okay? Then your body has 3 main paragraphs, and it can be more than 3 paragraphs, but it has to be at least 3 paragraphs. So paragraph 1 introduces the first reason that your claim is valid. You're going to support it with evidence, such as facts, examples, and data. Then you will do the same thing in your body paragraph number 2, but it's going to be the second reason that your claim is valid. And then in body paragraph number 3, it goes a little bit differently there. That is where you're going to introduce an opposing claim, which remember is the counter argument. And in body paragraph number 3, we're also going to make sure that we include the turn back, which takes the reader back to your original claim and position. So that's where we're going to be doing those things, is in the body paragraph number 3. And then at the end, you'll always want to write a conclusion paragraph, and that's the last paragraph, and it restates your thesis statement or your claim and summarizes the main idea of your argument. It also contains a strong concluding statement. Now, like I said, this is just a brief overview of what these individual pieces are that we'll be including in your argumentative essay. We'll be talking about each of these parts in much more detail as we learn about each part over the next couple of weeks.